Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Executive Director of the Insurance Association of Jamaica, Orville Johnson, is defending the industry against calls for investigations into insurance companies. Mr. Johnson says the claims being made are unfair and one-sided.
Some persons in the Senate have been talking about investigate the insurance companies, but the point I have made to her is that we only price the fees that the doctors and the medical institutions charge. So when people make it sound as if we are the ones who create the problem that somebody can't get their treatment, it has to be a partnership.
At the same time, Mr. Johnson says the insurance company is concerned about challenges that could arise in the emerging medical ganja industry.
I now tell you how much spliff him smoke and they decline him. You might have an argument and some problems for the insurance industry.
The International Monetary Fund, IMF, has weighed in on the selection of Richard Biles as the next governor of the Bank of Jamaica. IMF Mission Chief Uma Ramakrishnan says the team welcomes the open and transparent process for the selection of the new governor. Mr. Biles will succeed Brian Winter on August 19. We go on to currency trading. It ended today with the US dollar selling for $130.08. The Canadian dollar sold for $98.28. The pound sterling closed the day at $163.70, while the euro is now being sold for $147.49. On the stock market, the JSE index gained 1,243 points today, while the junior market index declined by 3 points. Among today's winners were Sterling Investments, SSL Venture Capital, Stanley Motor, Scotia Group, and Caribbean Cream. On the losing side were Siboney Group, Paramount Trading, Pulse Investments, Sagicor Group, and Fosrich. Main Event Entertainment Group says its net profit increased by 15% during the 6-month period ended April 30. During the period, the company recorded profit of $93 million. Revenues during the quarter also went up to $895.8 million. Main Event expenses rose by 19%. It explained that this resulted from salaries and related costs, depreciation charges, transportation expenses, and property-related costs. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.